For those of you wishing you could just talk and Tango would listen, well, today is your day. Tango's latest feature, voice transcription, is going to blow your mind. If you use Tango, we've all been there. You finish recording in Tango and you're like, wait, what was I even talking about? Now, you don't even have to go back and write step descriptions or add missing context after the fact or even remember the step as you were capturing it. Now, with voice transcription, simply talk out loud as you're capturing each step and Tango will write the SOP for you. Let me show you how it works. You can start this process either right inside your Tango workspace or within our Chrome extension. Either way, you're going to go ahead and click New Tango. Here, I'll select which tab I want our process to start on and click Start Capture. Next, I'll select How to Guide, and once I see the capture has started, I'm going to head on down to the bottom right, and I'm going to click on the voice transcription icon. That will bring up this little pop-up, and I'll click it on and click Resume Capture. Here in the bottom right, you can see that voice transcription is starting, and I'm getting the prompt to talk through what I'm saying, and then click to move on. So for this example, I'll quickly show you how to add a contact record to our CRM, but I'm going to talk out loud as I do it, and Tango and voice transcription will capture everything. Here we go. To get started, click on CRM, click on Contacts, and then click Create New Contact. Here, you're going to enter the email address. Now remember, we must use a corporate domain. We do not accept any personal domains like Gmail, Yahoo, or anything else. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and enter the customer's email address. I'll enter their first name, last name, and their company. And finally, I'll click Create. And now that my process is done, I'll go ahead and click the green checkbox. And now Tango is creating my workflow for me. You can see that it's turning my narration into step-by-step directions. There's the confetti, and here is my workflow, and watch. As we scroll through, you can see that each step has the directions directly in there for us. Remember when I told you to enter the customer's email address using a corporate domain? It even captured that for me. And that's how simple it is to simply talk through your process and let Tango's voice transcription narrate and transcribe your steps for you. With voice transcription, you don't just finish faster, you make it easier for everybody to follow. You can test out voice transcription right now in your Tango Pro or Enterprise workspace, or simply click the link below to learn more. I'm Mark, let's Tango.